It's 3 a.m. and I am like really tired. Hello everybody, my name is Chad, I'm your Tall Tailor, and today we're going to be making a two-piece dress. Yes, I can and do make women's clothes. So for a little bit of background, my friend messaged me and she basically just said, hey, can you make me a two-piece dress? And I said, of course, like, duh. Then we hit up the fabric store and we got all the materials we needed.
Jeez, we found the one.
But that's enough introduction, let's get into sewing. Alright, so the dress we're going to be making is going to look just like that. And the top portion of the dress is going to look like that. So I have all my measurements here in this book. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut out the top. The fabric that we chose out here, it's like a neon pink color. I'm not sure if the camera picks this up too, but the fabric has a matte side and it has a more shimmery, glossy side. And we're going to be using the matte side of the fabric. So when making the top portion, I took all the necessary measurements and I folded the fabric in half on the bias right here. And then I'm going to go trace out half the top, and then since it's folded, that'll be two pieces. So all I'm doing right here is just drawing out the fabric. I'm using a ruler and doing some freehand just to get the contours and the shapes of the top that I need. And then I'm just going to cut up the top and sew it together. So now the cutting is finished. We have the two pieces for the top and the two pieces of the back of the top. And I'm going to use the remainder of the fabric just to cut out the skirt portion of the dress. So this is the remainder of the fabric I have for the skirt. And now I'm going to use my meter stick just to measure the length that I need for the skirt. It's going to go from here all the way to over there. It's going to be a little taper. So now I'm just bringing the two pieces of the top to the machine and I am sewing them together just so that they make a nice inside and outside of the top. Now the front side of the top is finished. All I need to do now is repeat the process to the back side and stitch both of them together. And here I am just pinning the top together so that I get a nice stitch. And now I'm putting the skirt onto the machine and I'm sewing a hem at the bottom of the skirt. Additionally, I'm going to sew sort of a waistband on the skirt so that it stays up a lot better. So I'm going to take this stitch all the way from the one side to the other side of the dress. I'm also making sure I don't go too fast because sometimes when the fabric's a little bit stretchy, I go a little bit too fast, then the fabric starts to pull. So taking my time, taking it nice and slow on here. And there we go, that's it. The dress is finished, two-piece, neon pink. I really liked how it turned out. I don't have it with me right now because obviously she wore it already, so can't have it for the video. Now it was a really great color, really great style of the dress. Had fun. I actually had fun making it too. If you guys want to see more pictures, check out my Instagram. I have a couple more pictures there. The post should be up already. Thank you guys for watching. This is the first time doing something like this on my channel. If you like it, leave a like and comment below, all that kind of stuff. Let me know what other things you want to see me make because I have a lot of stuff coming in the future. So look out for that too. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram at the Tall Tailor. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye.